I think they need a little encouragement blankets.
Subuhin mo ulit!
So girls, we have to ask you, what are your thoughts about pancit? What do you think? First, it looks like you're saying, Wait, you're still chewing.
Yummy!
Yummy. Ice, what do you think about pancit? Do you like it? Yes?